50 things you could do at home if you're bored. I hope you can pick one or two things from this list and be able to keep yourself busy during this time of isolation. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Emily. Hope you're doing great. And today I'm here to share with you 50 things you can do at home if you're bored. I've got a list here which I will be reading out, and I'm going to go through the list of things I've got, and hopefully it's beneficial to you guys out there. So number one, review your finances. Look at the ways you can cut costs or save money. Look at how you spend your money, and look at the way you can reduce your expenses so that you can be able to save more. Number two, review your subscriptions. Look at the packages you've got and see ways you can reduce your allowances or take out some of the items in your package so that you can reduce your expenses. Number three, clear your Yahoo mailbox. Delete unnecessary emails and unsubscribe from any mailing list which doesn't benefit you in any way. Number four, clear your phone gallery and your picture gallery on your laptop. Delete unnecessary images and also duplicates of pictures that you might have. Number five, organize your mails. If you've got some mails that you just leaving to the side, this is the time for you to bring them out, shred the ones that are not of any use, and also you can file the ones that you would like to keep accordingly, and make sure that they are in a particular format, so when you need to go back to them in the future, it's quick for you to know where or how you've arranged them. Number six, clear your kitchen cupboard or your pantry. Arrange your food items in order of expiry date so that you can get to eat the ones that will expire very soon before the ones that are still have a longer shelf life. Number seven, clear your fridge, give it a good clean, and also defrost your freezer. Take out anything that you no longer need and arrange things in a very logical manner. Number eight, deep clean your whole house from top to bottom, your bathroom, your kitchen, your floors, your windows. Give everything a good clean. Number nine, declutter your closet. If you've got items that no longer fit or you don't want them anymore, do not donate them to charity or sell them on like eBay, Pre-Love, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace. Number 10, try some home improvements, some wallpapering or some painting. Number 11, rearrange your home, rearrange your furniture, spice up things, change the color or the theme of your decor to go with the season. Spice it up some colors for the spring and summer. Number 12, learn a new instrument. You can try YouTube or Musician for tutorials on how to learn a new instrument, from pianos to guitars. There's an endless list of instruments you can learn, so you can utilize this time to learn a new instrument. Number 13, you can take an online course. You can try your hands on photography, on public speaking, on several courses, and a good place to start would be like Udemy or Simply Learn. And also you could try Khan Academy. That's some places you can take some free courses. Number 14, listen to TED Talks on YouTube on various topics. It can be very enlightening and informative. Number 15, listen to some podcasts on various topics. Number 16, learn a new language. You can try YouTube or Babbel is a good place to learn a new language. Number 17, try an online IQ test to see how intelligent you are compared to the population, and you can do that free online. Number 18, try some board games like Monopoly. Number 19, do some crosswords, Sudoku. You can get some free online. Number 20, take a virtual tour of some museums. You can try the British Museum and also the Louvre Museum in Paris. They've got some free virtual tours which you can have a look at. Number 21, start a YouTube channel or podcast or blog. Number 22, Study the map of the world and learn all the countries and their capitals, the official language, the currency, what the weather is like, just something about like every country in the world. Number 23, do some cooking, try some new recipes from different parts of the world. Number 24, try some baking of a cake, of pies, of biscuits, breads. Just try various recipes for baking. Number 25, do some gardening. Hopefully the weather is nice. Number 26, try a new hairstyle or a new haircut or a new makeup skill. Number 27, try some sewing, some knitting, some crocheting. Number 28, have a manicure, a pedicure. Soak your hands and feet in warm soapy water. Exfoliate, massage and moisturize. Number 29, try having some facials. Because you'll be at home and we have limited exposure to sun, it's best to try treatments like glycolic acid or retinol, which could increase your sensitivity to sun. So being at home is a good time to try this treatment to see how your body reacts to them. Number 30, have an home spa. Try the Epsom salt bath. It's really good for relaxation. Number 31, exercise and workouts. You can check online on the YouTube for various workout classes to keep fit even while at home. Number 32, take some time out to meditate. Number 33, read a book. Now, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a very good one to start with. Number 34, have a picnic in your house or in your garden, weather permitting. Number 35, have a photo shoot at home. You could have a makeshift backdrop by having like wrapping paper stuck to the wall, or having a curtain or a bed sheet or any material that you could hang on the wall, and sitting very close to the window for natural light will give you good pictures at home. Number 36, make a photo book. You could try photo box, Snapfish, Tesco's, Asda, Boots, they've all got photo book services. They all have various sizes of photo books, so if you've got some pictures that you would like to put together, this is the time for you to put them together in form of a photo book. Number 37, watch a movie, catch up on all your favorite TV shows, some Netflix. It's a good time to watch that and relax. Number 38, make a playlist of all your favorite songs so you could listen to them while you're doing your cleaning or your cooking or your baking. Number 39, look through your family history and try drawing your family tree from your great-grandparent to your grandparent to your parents, then to yourself, and put that down as a form of a family tree. Number 40, put a pen to paper and try writing a book or writing a journal. Number 41, try going for a walk or riding your bicycle, definitely observing social distance. Number 42, order a pizza, order Chinese or takeaway and eating. Number 43, play some music, probably from your favorite list, and dance like no one is watching. Number 44, utilize this time to get some sleep, rest well, and re-energize your body. Number 45, check up on all your friends and family, pick up the phone and speak to someone you've not spoken to for a long time. Number 46, drink some water. It's good when you're home, you've got the toilet very close by, so try and drink at least 2 liters of water every day. It's good for your body. Number 47, have fun with your family, with your partners, with your pets, with your kids. Have some fun and have a good time. Number 48, take some time to reflect on past times. Look at your wedding pictures or graduation pictures or pictures that bring you so much joy, and bring back those memories and just be grateful for life. Number 49, strategize. Set some goals, create an action plan on how to achieve your goals, and also make a list of places you like to travel to and plan a vacation, so when the time comes, you're ready to go. And number 50, take time to seek God's face, read your Bible, pray for yourself, and pray for others. And that's it, everyone. 50 things you could do at home if you're bored. I hope I've been able to give you some ideas on what to do. Thank you very much once again for coming to my channel. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and please like and share my video. Thank you very much for your time once again, and see you in my next video. Bye.